Well, I had a good one going. We couldn't capitalize on 5 times the fun. Let's do solenoid test on this power driver board. Ouch. I really need to quiet down that knocker. All the solenoids are working. GI. I wanted to make sure that wasn't an issue because there was some hackery that had been done there. You can see that they're all dimming correctly. And let's do lamps and flashers at the same time. Lamps and flashers all working. And let's get on out and make sure that our chase lamps are chasing upstairs. And it looks like they are. So it looks like this power driver board is good to go. This one, it just had some hackage on it. We have, for instance, it came to me without the GI connector soldered in over there. So I removed it, put a good 7 amp header on there, and on the GI in, GI out, and all the power in and all the power out. So she is good to go, and I thank you so much for sending it.